Cheerful morning, students. Today we will revise our topic The Tiger King by Kalki. Dear students, this story is a satire on the rich and powerful king of the olden times. And in this story, the main character, who had been given the title the Tiger King, he tried to prove the prophecies of the fortune teller wrong, and for that he killed 99 tigers. But the 100th one became the cause of his death. Ultimately, the king was killed by a wooden tiger, and the prophecy turned to be true despite the king's effort to prove it wrong. In this story, we have the following characters: the Tiger King, who is the hero of the story, and next we have Crown Prince, a 10-day-old baby, and who later on became the Maharaja of Pratibandpuram. Then we have Chief Astrologer. Next is Durai. Dear student, it's a Kannada word that means chief leader in Tamil. Then a British high-ranking officer and his secretary. Next we have Diwan, and then Durai Sani, that the wife of high-ranking British officer. So dear students, Maharaja's name shortened to the Tiger King, and author's intention to inform the readers that Tiger King is mortal. So dear student, the astrologer, he announced that this prince to be great warrior and hero of heroes, but one day have to meet his death. But that 10 days old prince, he astonished everyone. He raised a question. Actually, he wanted to know the way of death, because all those who born will die one day. Death is the ultimate end. But astrologer told him that his death would come from tiger, because he was born in the hour of bull. And dear students, 10 days old prince, he uttered, "Let tigers beware." This little prince, he was brought up just like all princes of India. He got milk of English cow, he was taught by an English tutor, and he loved to watch English films. He was only 20 when he was crowned as a king. And then he came to know about the astrologer's prediction. And at that time he killed his first tiger. And he sent a message for the astrologer. But astrologer advised him that to avoid killing 100 tiger. And astrologer announced that he would be successful in killing 99 tigers, but 100 tiger would become the cause of his death. And if in case that Tiger King, he managed to kill 100 tigers, so astrologer would burn his books, he would cut off his staff, and he would become an insurance agent. It means he was damn sure. So Tiger King, he banned the tiger hunting in his state, and if anyone found killing any tiger, so his wealth and property would be confiscated. And dear students, he met many dangerous situations. Sometimes he had to fight barehanded. And dear students, once a British officer visited his kingdom and he refused even that officer to kill tiger or to have any photo with that dead tiger. But at the same time, in fear of losing his kingdom, he sent 50 diamond rings for his wife, and it cost him 3 lakhs. Dear students, the greedy officer's wife, she kept all the rings and she sent thanks to the Maharaja. So in this way he saved his kingdom, but at the cost of rupees 3 lakh. So dear students, he managed to kill 70 tigers in 10 years. But the tiger population, it became extinct in Pratibandpuram. And his target was yet to complete. So he advised his Diwan that to find a suitable princess from a state with large tiger population because he had to achieve his target. And he whenever he visited his in-laws, so he managed to kill 29 tigers more. But the skin of 99 tigers adorned the walls of his palace. Now he had to find the 100th tiger, but his farms, they ran dry in his father-in-law's house. So dear students, he recalled astrologers' warning that he should be beware of killing 100 tiger, and he decided to give up tiger hunting after achieving the target. So dear students, he got a news that somebody had seen a tiger near a village, but when he didn't find any tiger, so he got disappointed. And in his frustration, he terminated the service of many officers also. Diwan was warned of the dangers and the risk involved in it, so he suggested him not to do so, but the Tiger King was not ready to listen to anyone. So somehow Diwan, he managed to find out a tiger for him, and he arranged an old tiger from People's Park that was in Madras, and he kept that tiger hidden in his house also. So he dragged that old and weak tiger with the help of his wife, and when king reached the same place, so he shot at tiger, and king was so happy. That elated king, he returned to his capital, and he ordered to bring that tiger in grand procession. Actually, he wanted to show off. But dear students, the tiger got baffled. He fainted from the shock of bullet. It means that that tiger was not killed by the Tiger King. So dear students, he was killed by the hunters of that tiger. So to hide that truth, that it was killed by an hunter. So dear students, after some days, it was the third birthday of that king's son, and he wanted to present him something unique. So king now felt relieved. He went to market and he brought a wooden tiger as birthday present for his son, and he played with his prince. So sliver of that wooden tiger that pierced his right hand, and he got infected, and the infection spread in his hand. So the wound developed and infection spread all over the arm, and he called 3 surgeons from Madras also for the operation, but they failed to save his life. And dear student, here we have irony that the operation was successful, but the doctors failed to save his life, and the 100 tiger took the final revenge upon the Tiger King, because the cause of his death, that was also a tiger. In fact, it was a wooden tiger. So this is what we have in our chapter, the Tiger King.